Respected my class in charge and my dear friend, a very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Sakshi.
I, Sakshi from Proud 9D grade, and today I am here to play the role as a teacher in front of you. And my today's topic is tissue, related from the subject science. So let's start. To know about this topic, we will have to know about the cell. What is a cell? A cell is the structural, functional and basic unit of our life. You know friend, why it is called structure? It is called structure because it provides structure to our body. It provides structure to our body. And functional because many functions are performed by it in our body. Many functions are performed by it in our body. And it is called basic. Now let's come to the topic tissue. A tissue is a group of cells that are similar in structure and perform the same function. A tissue is a group of cells that are similar in structure and perform the same function. A tissue is divided into two types, plant tissue and animal tissue. It is divided into plant tissue and animal tissue. About plant tissue, you know friend, plants do not move, they are stationary. Most of the tissues in plants are supportive and they provide them structural strength. Plants are stationary. So how many types of tissues are there?
2 types.
Plant tissue
And animal tissue.
So we will study about plant tissue. As you know friends, plants are stationary and they do not move. And most of the tissues in plants are supportive, which provide them structural strength. Plants do not move, they are stationary. Most of the tissues are in plants provide structural strength. And most of the tissues are dead, which provide them better mechanical strength. And now plant tissues are divided into two types, permanent tissue and meristematic tissue. Permanent tissue and meristematic tissue. Firstly, we will discuss about meristematic tissue. The cells of these tissues can divide throughout their life and form a new cell. And when meristematic tissue lose their dividing capacity, they change their shape into permanent tissues. And this process is known as differentiation. Now, we will study about the parts of meristematic tissue. There are three types of meristematic tissue. First is apical meristem, second is intercalary, and third is lateral. First is apical meristem. Second is intercalary meristem. Second is
intercalary meristem.
and last one is lateral meristem. Last one is
Lateral meristem.
apical meristem. It is present at the growing tip of plant in roots and stem, and it is responsible in the length of growth. It is present at the growing tip of roots and intercalary meristem is present beneath the. It is present at the internodes. At the
Internodes.
it increase the length between the node. Increase the length between the
Nodes.
Now about lateral meristem. It is present at beneath the bark. It is present beneath the
Bark.
and it is responsible in growth of trunk. Responsible in growth of trunk of a tree. Now we will learn about permanent tissues types. We will know about permanent tissue. Permanent tissues. As I told you, when meristematic tissue loses their dividing capacity, they change its shape and size into permanent tissues, and it have three parts: parenchyma, parenchyma,
Parenchyma.
collenchyma,
Collenchyma.
and sclerenchyma.
And sclerenchyma.
Parenchyma. Parenchyma have cells which are thickened at the core, which it has cells which are thick. Cells which are parenchyma has two parts: collenchyma and arenchyma. Parenchyma, which has chlorophyll and perform the photosynthesis, is known as chlorenchyma, and parenchyma which has large air cavities and float in water are known as parenchyma. Now collenchyma. It has cells which are thickened at the corners. Cells which are thickened at the corners. Sclerenchyma have cells which are thickened due to the presence of lignin. Which are due to the presence of lignin. Now we will study about complex tissue. The tissues which have more than one type of cell is known as complex tissue. Which have more than one type of cell is known as complex tissues. It are of two types. They are of xylem and phloem. Xylem and Now I will ask you some questions. Nishika, what is a tissue?
Group of cells that are similar in structure is called tissue.
Yes. Himanshi, how many type of tissues are there?
Types of tissue, plant tissue and animal tissue.
Right. Tanvi, name the two type. Tell about meristematic tissue. Shagun. What are xylem? Xylem are the transportation system which provide food and which provide water and nutrients to the plant body. Which provide water and phloem are the transportation system which provide food to the whole plant body. Food to the It's all about my topic. Thank you and have a nice day.